Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow on Bluesky. Let's get into the video. So if you open up Bluesky and log into your Bluesky account, so first thing, you got to go to your profile. So go to your profile tab here and check your profile. Do you have a good profile? So try to optimize your profile and make it more impressive, which includes with a good profile picture. So if you hit on edit profile and then try to include a very impressive, a good profile picture, and also a display name for your profile, and also a description, a little bit about yourself. The description can be related to your personality or your niche, so that's something that will attract more audience to your profile. So just make sure that your profile is impressive and will attract audience. And apart from that, certain other things that you can do is posting. So try to post consistently. So if you open up, create a post. So when you create a new post, try to create engaging, unique content. So you can use like these features like adding photos, videos. So you can create content using graphical contents, because that will attract more audience. So you can use photo, video options or GIF options here in addition to your text, and then try to post creative content consistently, because consistency matters to grow. All right, like in any other social media platform. So try to create consistent and engaging post regularly. And then apart from that, try to interact with users for engagements. Like so try to interact on other people's post, and like for example like reposting. So if you like reposting, if you click on reposting, you can repost it. If you like a post, some others post, and you can like it, and you can also comment on it. In that way you'll be engaging with others, and also reply to all those engagements that you get on your post, like your any comments, reply to them, and in that way build the engagement. Because building engagement helps you to build more connection, which can help you grow your account. So it's quite an important thing to do. So the engagement is a very crucial factor. And apart from that, try to use hashtags and keywords. So when you make a post, try to include relevant hashtags on keywords to match up your post. So, and you can also go to this feed option here on your top right. If you click on feed option here, you can check for the what's currently trending. For example, like what's being popular and what's happening around within the communities. So based on that, you can create content based on that. All right, see what's currently on trend, and see and try to create content based on that, and use those keywords from here. So if you go to here, and under the feeds, you'll also see communities here. You can search for communities and join communities. When you join communities and you can interact with them, in that way you will be also able to expand your connection with other people. So your existence will be more visible, and then people will try to look into your profile. In that way you'll be able to grow your account by joining communities and engaging with other people. Make a post. If you click on the post and click on these three dots here, so when you click on the three dots, you will get this share option here. So try to share it on other platforms as well, like other social medias like Instagram or X, Twitter, or Facebook, all those, or in those platforms. In that way you will get a wider visibility as well to your profile. So that will help you to grow your account as well. So these are the basics tips that you can do in order to grow your account on Bluesky. And I hope this information will be helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.